Healthy Life with Kimmi. Well, today we are talking all about blueberries. And for those of you who do not know, my name is Kimmi. I am on a healthy weight loss journey. And as I continue to lose weight in progress, I want to share little tips and tricks that I'm learning. And hopefully it will help you in whatever you're doing. So everyone's welcome to this channel. Keto people, Play-Doh people, whatever you're doing, hang out with us. You're going to get some tips and tricks for your diet too, okay? So let's get right into it. Today we're talking about blueberries. Again, because you guys know I've shared on this channel that I've had some issues, and most people do as they continue to age with digestion and getting enough fiber in their diet. So blueberries is not my favorite thing in the world, but I had like bags in my freezer to put in my smoothies, and I wasn't using them because, again, it's not my favorite. But I did it a couple days, guys, and my bowel movements, and that's what this video is going to be about, was really nice. I mean, really nice. And again, this is something that you normally don't talk about. You know, Dr. Oz went through his whole spell when he talked about poop a lot. And I'm not going to be that person where we're talking about poop every time. But because it's such an important part of what we do as humans, I got to talk about it. So for me, I've already talked about being backed up a lot, having to take antacid medicines, especially when I eat bad. And I noticed since I've been doing my new diet and eating better, my regimen and stuff, I don't take nearly as many antacids or the actual pill that was prescribed for me from the doctor for acid reflux, because I've been eating better. Even the day that I had, and I didn't disclose this yet, but it's coming in a future video during my weekly update, I ate chicken wings and french fries for the first time like in 4 months. Like my full blown Parmesan garlic wings that I like with french fries with red drink, fruit punch drink. So I had the whole works. And I didn't even get that backup that I normally do. I think because my digestive tract is becoming cleaner. So, in moving better. So the things with blueberries really quick is, and I'm going to tell you about my personal experience with them. They're rich in antioxidants. Blueberries are packed with them. So they really can help free radicals in your body, and they're an excellent source of vitamin C. I usually buy a big bag like this from Walmart. Now they got something called wild berries. I'm not a fan of those at all. They're a little smaller. So some of you may be familiar with wild berries, but these are actually blueberries. And you would think, oh, it's the same thing, but the taste is a little bit different, and I just don't like them. And I also don't feel like they clean you out as well as blueberries do. So they are a great source of vitamin C. It's been studied that blueberries can help with your memory, and also in older people. And also it may reduce heart disease, and it may also help with your cholesterol. So you can imagine with the cholesterol and all that junk that's going through our bodies when we eat not as healthy or not as good, it pulls it out. It pulls it out. So that's what I've been experiencing with my blueberries. So what's been happening for me with the blueberries is my stool is heavier. It's heavier. So not to be super gross here, but instead of like a boop, it's like a plop. So it's pulling more of the gunk I feel out of my body. I can feel it. I can see it. I feel like my stomach has gone down a little bit. Let me see. Can I just show you? It seems like my stomach has gone down. I'm going to do another full body soon. But that's me right there. If you can see it, I hope you can. I'm going to do a full body soon. But my stool is much heavier. And the movement is smoother. Now, it takes a little bit longer to come through everything. Because I think on a normal move of your bowel movement can be 23 hours. It can take a day or two. Because, you know, if you eat beef, you get blocked up for sure. And it takes 3 days for beef to almost come out your body. But this blueberry, when I put blueberries in my smoothie, I can feel it almost going through each part of my body, pulling out the junk. I can. So I definitely will be adding blueberries to my smoothies every day, nonstop, because of that. It's really helping with the fiber piece of it. They're also low in calories, and they can help you maintain a healthy weight. Now, again, blueberries is not my favorite go-to, but I'm going to be using them. So fiber-wise, it says the bag says it has 3 per cup, 3 fiber. if I have pineapples or oranges and juices like that, or the makes my blood sugar kind of spike, I can almost feel it. But blueberries, I kind of remain calm, like a nice level. Same thing with strawberries. When I put strawberries in anything, it's kind of like a calmness. But those other fruits that make it go shh, I can feel it almost like a jerk, like a jerkiness. You know, that kind of jittery feeling when you have something too sweet. So again, if you're not using blueberries and you are having some digestive tract issues or bowel movement issues, try adding blueberries. Okay, it's plenty of things that I can say about blueberries, but I will tell you this: my stool is better, it's thicker, and I just feel better overall. So are you using blueberries in your diet? Do you like blueberries? If not, give them a try, okay? Blueberries, the secret sauce. Okay, bye guys. Until next time, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi.